How to fix the certificate gene was issued by an authority that is not trusted. Microsoft SQL Server error. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Are you getting this error when you try to connect to the server? If so, make sure to follow the steps mentioned on this video. First of all, click on OK button and it will open your Connect to Server application. In this interface, click on Server Name and then on the drop-down menu. From here, click on Browse for more. Expand the database engine and make sure to select the correct server name. Once you have clicked on it, click on the OK button. After that, on the same page, click on the Options and then click on Connection Properties. On this, you have to make sure to tick on the option Trust Server Certificate and then tap on Connect and your problem should be solved. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.